Y'all remember that highlight water wave wig that went viral back in May? Well, she's back and she's still one of the top water waves. When you see this install, indoor and outdoor lighting, you're gonna understand why this wig is so popular. Welcome back. Thank you guys for joining me for today's video. My name is Marie. If you're new here, we are getting back into the water wave. This wig has been one of the most popular wigs on social media, and I understand why. As you know, I always love the water wave textures because they're so simple. Just a little bit of nothing to look this good. We're not doing glue. We're not doing melting sprays. We're not doing any coloring to the hair. We're not highlighting. We're not bleaching the knots. We're not doing any of that, okay? Simple install. So I will put this wig below in the description box for you all, and let's get into all of the details. Don't forget to like the video and leave me a comment and let me know, do you love the highlights in today's wig? Let's get into the details. This hair is their 7x5 Glueless is put on and go. And look at this highlight blend. It's brown with warm caramel streaks, which is perfect for fall and winter. What I love about the color is that it works with every skin tone, but it especially pops on deeper skin tones. Cozy seasonal color for everyone. The lace area is 7 inches across and 5 inches in the back, which gives you more parting space, still gives you that easy glueless fit. As you can see, it comes with the adjustable strap and the comb in the back, and then a adjustable strap you can take in and out. If you're someone like me who doesn't like gluing down wigs, this is perfect. It lays flat, the lace is soft, and with a little tint spray, it melts without even trying. So let's try it on. I braided my hair straight back, and as you can see, I just threw the wig on. I'm just pulling the wig on and then adjusting the bands in the back. And that's it, literally no glue. Now just look at this lace. I haven't done anything and it's giving scalp. The highlights look so soft indoors. Very natural, very blended, and they aren't too loud. This cap, it does come down here for the lace, and then this part here is just the cap. Now, if you have this area right here flopping, you can take the adhesive tape that comes with the wig and you can stick it down with just a piece on both sides so it won't flop around. It would be nice if they had a comb, but me personally, I don't like putting combs on my edges, so I would just use the tape instead. Now, it does come with the side part, so I love that. This is a water wave texture. Water wave look the best when you define it a little bit. Let me add a little mousse to the curls. I'm gonna take a bit of this mousse and just go through the hair with it. Just like so. You can use a little bit of water if you want to. So just to give you guys a few updates, this wig right now for 1 week is going to be 20% off with the code Marie if you use it at checkout. This is an exclusive code just for all of my subscribers. It can be found down in the description box. To all my Precious Squad members, I have videos coming for you guys. Those videos can be found underneath the members only tab on my YouTube channel and also in my playlist on my YouTube channel. If you have not joined the Precious Squad, you can get exclusive access to videos that I'm not posting publicly, and also members chat, member badges. So all that can be found by clicking the join button and the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. And doing this also helps to just tame down some of the frizz in the hair. Water wave textures normally don't come with a lot of frizz anyway. I'm smoothing the hair and you can already see how wakening up the curls. A lot of people really like this texture all year because it's beginner friendly, low maintenance, and it works for any occasion. Like, it's just pretty. Taking it out the box, doing just a little bit that I did, it was already good out the box, girl, but it just made it a little bit more. And the last step to this install, I'm just going to take my wax stick, lay down the top just a little bit, make sure everything just flows right. I'm going to use my hot comb for that. Flatten this area here. I can really tell why this is one of their popular styles. It's just simple. It's really pretty. You don't need to do too much to it to get it to look very natural. You don't have to tweeze the hairline. You don't have to bleach the knots. Like, look how well that melts with my skin. just gorgeous. I'm gonna show you what the color looks like outdoors. It's not that much sun. It's been super chilly here, so it's just gonna be regular outdoor lighting with no sun, so you can see what the color looked like in natural lighting. Did you see the contrast? Indoors, it looks very soft, but in natural lighting, you can see that the highlights pop. The brown streaks definitely make the curls look dimensional. So pretty. I just really like that bit of highlight that they added. Let's talk maintenance, because y'all always ask me how I keep my water wave looking juicy. I use mousse. That's it. Maybe a little bit of water. Mousse wakes up the curls without making them feel crunchy. This is the one I like to use right here. I've been using the same one for years. After it dries, the hair gets fluffy. As you can see, it's a bit more fluffy than it was before, but it's still super soft. Just not play with it too much with combs. I just kind of fluff it with my hand. I want it a little bit bigger. I'm scrunch it a little bit and then just let it air dry. I don't really need to take dryers to it or anything. But if you want volume, you can diffuse it with the dryer just to get a little bit more volume, or also add layers. I've never really done layers with my water wave, but if you have, let me know in the comment section. I want to know how it turned out. Soft from the entire process from this wig coming out the box. This is why this is a viral wig. That's one of their top sellers. It's glueless and beginner friendly. The color is perfect for fall and winter. The water wave texture never goes out of style. It works for everyday wear or special events. This wig is definitely one of those wigs that you keep reaching for because it just looks good with everything. All right, so let me show you what the back of it looks like. So you can see this is how gorgeous this is. This is a 24 inch. The color is beautiful. Look how fluffy and wavy it is. Oh my gosh, I just love this so much. It's so pretty. Just the right amount of everything. All right, so this wig again is from BeautyForever. I will put it below in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check down there for products, also for the link to this wig, or information that you might want, like discounts, all that good stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you all back in my next video. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks, and also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.